What's going on, dudes and dudettes? I just left the gas station because this car needed gas, and I'm heading towards this guy who's holding an open house today. I'm gonna be talking to him about real estate, and I'm just gonna pick his brain a little bit about what I should do, and just things so that I can understand the game, get the hang of it, and eventually master the game, so I can be able to help as many people as I can find the right home for them. And I wish I could do a time lapse of me getting there right now, but this car doesn't have a camera mount, so I guess I'll just see you guys right there. Alright guys, I'm here. I would like to record in there, but I'm not sure if he's okay with it or not. So if he is, if I do ask him and if he is okay with it, then maybe I'll get like a little time lapse, maybe some clips of little tips of what he's talking about, what he's saying. I got somewhere else that I'm gonna go right now because I'm trying to eat healthy. Me and my family, we're trying to eat a little bit healthier, so we're trying different foods here and there. So stick around. Always, I definitely learned something helpful, and he said something that could definitely be helpful to anybody who is their own boss, who works for themselves. If you have a side job, whatever it is, or something that you are not working for somebody, I'll tell you right now, all right? But I gotta get back. I gotta go for the kids and my wife, and we're gonna go get something healthy. All right. Alright guys, so we went to the store, we bought some organic pizza, and I also got some eggs that come from animals, from chickens that are not given hormones, are not given antibiotics, and are treated the right way. They're let be chickens. Like the eggs came from a chicken that had the life of a chicken. It wasn't kept in a cage and just, that makes a big difference. All right, it makes a big difference. Like I said, me and my wife and my kids, our family, right, we're trying to eat healthier. We're trying to really watch what we eat, what we put in our systems. That plays a big part in your life. If you want to have a good life, if you want to live healthy, if you want to have good energy in you, what you consume really does play a big part. So we're really trying to watch that. We're really trying to watch what we consume now. Anyways, what I said earlier about what Kyle told me, it's something that if you are your own boss, if you work for yourself and you make your own money, you don't work for anybody else, or if you have a side gig that you want to make the one thing that gives you income, this is something that you need to be aware of. This is something that you need to keep in mind at all times, all the time. What Kyle said to me was, you are your own boss. And what does a boss do? A boss will hire and a boss will fire and will run things, making sure that things are going all right. The employee goes, exchanges the time or the service, brings back the check, right? You're working for your boss gives you the check. Now, when you are your own boss, you're also your employee. You're your own boss because you are working for yourself. You decide what you want to do. You decide when you want to do it. Now, when you are your own boss, you need to keep employing yourself. What this means is every day you have to show up. Every day you have to make the calls. Every day you have to send the emails. Every day you have to contact people. You have to, find leads, find people that want your service, find people that need your service. You have to constantly, every single day, hire yourself. The way you fire yourself is every day that you don't show up, every day that you don't go, every day that you don't contact people or try to reach out to companies or whatever it is, right? Every day that you don't do that stuff, you're firing yourself because you are technically unemployed, because there's nothing that you're gonna produce money from. Nothing is gonna give you the money if you don't call, if you don't do the things that you need to do. So every day you have to keep employing yourself so that your family has the life that they need, has the life that you know they deserve. Yes, you are your own boss, but you are also your employee. And you have to keep that employee, right? You have to keep that employee working. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I just really thought that I needed to talk about what Kyle told me, because I felt like it was something that doesn't just apply for my business as a real estate agent, but it applies to anybody who is their own boss, or anybody who has a side gig that wants to make their primary income producer. So, you know, there it is. So I hope that it helps you guys. I hope that it really opens your mind and it makes you be a little more aware of what it really means to be your own boss. Because yes, it's fun, and yes, it's exciting, but at the same time, it's scary. Okay, I guess that's it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Please, if you like this, don't forget to subscribe, and also hit that bell, because that's the way that you can see when I upload. And you know, keep developing yourself, keep learning, keep growing your mind, and just, you know, do something great. It's almost limitless, the things that we can really do. Keep that in mind. All right, see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye.